Okay, I'm going to show you how to configure your delay unlocking on your D.S.P.P 5 amp access control panel. Right, so I have my 600 pound unlock right here, my exit button, and my 5 amp power supply right here. Okay, so when you look on the terminal block of your 5 amp control panel, you see this screw over here. This is what controls the delay time, unlocking time for your relay. And the amount of seconds that you have can operate between 0 to 45 seconds. So all you do is get a small flathead. I'm going to turn it slowly, and it can set between 0 and 45 seconds delay time. I'm going to press your button. Whatever seconds you set it to your liking, it will unlock the door for that amount of time. Okay.